Welcome to Google I/O. That means Google Search is bringing generative AI to more people than any other product in the world. Introducing Google Beam, a new AI-first video communications platform that includes real-time speech translation to help break down language barriers. And we are starting to bring agentic capabilities to Chrome, Search, and the Gemini app.
Gemini 2.5 Pro is our most intelligent model ever, and the best foundation model in the world.
We are introducing an all-new AI mode. It's a total reimagining of search.
Our goal is to make Gemini the most personal, proactive, and powerful AI assistant. This will be your AI assistant that's there for you as you browse the web on your desktop. The amazing part, it's called Imagine 4, and it's a big leap forward. The images are richer, with more nuanced colors and fine-grained details. The shadows in the different shots, the water droplets that come through in the photos. Today, I'm excited to announce our new state-of-the-art model, VO3. That means that VO3 can generate sound effects, background sounds, and dialogue.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light.
So that's what's happening around Gemini. Starting today, Gemini Live capabilities are free and rolling out across Android and iOS.
Searching, and then something shifts, and I'm not trying anymore, I'm just doing.
Here's everything we've announced today, from new launches and product expansions to glimmers of what's to come. The opportunity with AI is truly as big as it gets. And I can't wait to see what amazing things we'll build together next. Thank you.